Today we're talking about our isolation solenoid valve. A system that uses our valves frequently is propulsion systems, specifically in satellites. When they want to start propulsion, they'll open our solenoid valve, allowing flow to go through, and propulsion begins, and the satellite is then able to thrust through space. We have a very tight leakage when the valve is closed, and that allows the propellant to stay and have a longer life. And then once they're ready for propulsion to begin, for that satellite to start moving, our valve opens and off the satellite goes. All of that has a direct impact on how long that propellant lasts in the satellite and how long that satellite can move in space. A lot of our products are customized, so a customer will come to us and ask us, we need a solenoid valve that does this, this, and this for our satellite. We figure out exactly what they need, how we can make it. When we started in Connecticut, we were this small little garage shop, and we've turned into this well-established, globally known company. Our tiny little product is used in satellites. It helps GPS, global communication, weather forecasting, and so much more. Our little product has a global impact.